Most people over 65 believe walking is the safest exercise they can do, and for many it becomes part of daily life, like Robert. Robert is 72, he lives in Ohio. Every morning he puts on the same comfortable sneakers, steps outside, and walks to the corner and back. He's done it for years. His neighbors wave. The air feels fresh. It gives him peace. Walking makes him feel like he's doing the right thing for his health, and in many ways he is. But one morning something small happened. After his walk, Robert came back inside. He sat in his favorite chair, picked up his coffee, and watched the morning news. About 20 minutes later, he stood up to go to the kitchen, and for just a moment he froze. Not because of pain, but because his legs didn't feel fully ready. He stood there, waiting for his body to catch up. It only lasted a second, but it was enough to make him wonder. Later that week, it happened again, this time stepping out of the shower. He reached for the towel and felt slightly unsteady. Nothing dramatic, no fall, no injury, just uncertainty. And that's how it begins for millions of Americans. Not with a major event, but with small moments, quiet signals. Signals that certain muscles, the ones responsible for stability, balance, and confidence, haven't been fully activated in a long time. Because walking, while excellent for your heart and overall movement, mostly trains your body to move forward. It doesn't fully strengthen the muscles that help you stand up powerfully, stabilize yourself, or catch your balance when something unexpected happens. Robert didn't realize this. He thought walking was enough. Most people do. But here's the truth. Your body doesn't lose strength suddenly. It loses it silently, little by little, day by day. Not because you're weak, but because certain muscles haven't been asked to work. The good news is something Robert discovered later, and it changed everything. Your body remembers how to be strong. It just needs the right signals, simple movements, safe movements, movements your body already understands. Today, I'm going to show you 3 of the most important exercises you can do after 60 to restore strength, balance, and confidence. These exercises help protect your independence. Let's begin with the first one, the sit to stand. This may seem like nothing more than standing up from a chair, but in reality, this single movement affects nearly every part of your daily life. Getting out of bed, standing up from the couch, using the bathroom, getting into your car. Robert started here. At first, it wasn't easy. He noticed his legs felt weaker than he expected. He had to use his hands. He moved slowly. But something important happened. Each day, his legs responded. Each day, the movement became smoother. To begin, sit near the front of a sturdy chair. Place your feet flat on the floor, hip-width apart. Sit tall. Now gently lean forward. Press through your heels, and slowly rise to standing. Take your time. Pause at the top, then slowly lower yourself back down. Controlled, not dropping, but guiding yourself down gently. Try 8 to 10 repetitions. This movement strengthens your thighs, hips, and core, the exact muscles responsible for keeping you independent. Within weeks, Robert noticed something surprising. Standing up no longer felt uncertain. It felt natural again. Now let's talk about the second exercise, the wall push-up. One afternoon, Robert lost his balance slightly while reaching for something in the kitchen. He caught himself using his hands against the counter. And he realized something. Balance isn't just about your legs. It's also about your upper body. Your arms, shoulders, and chest help stabilize you and protect you when you need support. Wall push-ups safely rebuild this strength. Stand facing a wall. Place your hands on the wall at shoulder height. Step back slightly. Slowly bend your elbows and lean in. Then gently push yourself back. Repeat 8 to 12 times. This strengthens the muscles that help you steady yourself during daily life. Robert began to feel more secure doing simple things he once took for granted. And finally, the third exercise, heel raises. This is where balance truly begins. Your ankles are the foundation of every step. Weak ankles are one of the biggest hidden causes of falls. Stand behind a chair, hold lightly for support. Slowly lift your heels. Pause, then lower slowly. Repeat 10 to 12 times. At first, Robert felt shaky, but within weeks he noticed his walking felt smoother. more controlled, more confident. The small moments of uncertainty began to disappear. He still walks every morning, but now he does these 3 exercises too. And the difference is something he feels every single day, not just during his walks, but when he stands, when he turns, when he lives his life. Because independence isn't protected by movement alone, it's protected by strength, and strength can return at any age. Your body is not done, it is waiting.